Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a bonus haul to share with you. I went to Hobby Lobby and to Tuesday Morning, and let me show you what I picked up. From Hobby Lobby, I picked up two of these candles. This is Gray Skies. It is like a marble gray color. Look at that, how cute. I love it, and it smells really good. So the batch number is 0886 and fragrance number 15, if that helps. And I want to use this in my Halloween display. So I thought it was a really good color for Halloween. And then I can, keep on using it after Halloween just because the gray color is so cute. It was $8.99 and they were 50% off, and I paid $4.49. This past week they were all 50% off, so I was able to stop by last Saturday and catch my deal on that one before the week was out. And then when I went back, I also found this. They had restocked the shelving, and then this is the die cuts for the ephemeras. You get 50 designs, 2 each, and 100 pieces. The regular price was $4.99. I paid $2.29, and I went ahead and picked up 2 of these packages. And this is what you get in the package. So this is one of the new items Hobby Lobby is carrying now, and it is by Paper Studios. Look at this. Isn't that some cute ephemeras? Adorableness. And let's see. Here's the hourglass. I think this one's a plate. Very cute. Gardening tools. A little cloche with mushrooms, deers, more mushrooms. Oh, how cute. Look at this squirrel. Adorableness. Oh, a heart. A floral stamp. Oh, butterflies. Mushrooms. More plants. A quilted heart. Well, that is cute. That would make a great project. A future project. Oh, a hedgehog. Love hedgehogs. A fawn. More quilts. Oh, look at this one. You know, I love the colors in this set. I like it. Look at this one. And a teapot. A saucer. Hearts. Look at this one with buttons. I should remake that one too. It'll look really cute with whatever buttons you have. Look at this one. And I know Hobby Lobby carries buttons too. So you can go there, you can go elsewhere. Any craft store, discount stores carry buttons nowadays. Look at those. Oh, there's some cute stuff in here. So when you go to your Hobby Lobby, stop by the paper aisle and look at this. Yeah, it's down the sticker aisle. Which way's up? This way's up, I think. Nice. I mean, there's a lot in here. I am glad that Hobby Lobby now has this. Some cute designs going on here. Another book cover, or another book page. Some butterflies. Look at this. How cute is this? And the last ones. Adorableness. Love it. let me make a quick correction. I think this was down the ephemera aisle. Take a look. You know the aisle where all the Tim holes and the flowers are? Like the little paper cut flowers? It might have been down that aisle. But go ahead and take a look there, and then also down the sticker aisle. One of them will have it. That's it for my haul from Hobby Lobby. From Tuesday morning, I picked this up. Look at that. How cute. I mean, such adorableness. I love the vintage vibe going on here. And this is like gilded in like rose gold or copper. You know, very similar things. So this is by Bo Bunny, and it is a chipboard sticker, and you get 54 pieces. And here is the sticker information if you need that. And they were $2.99. I did pick up 3 of these sheets of stickers just because they're so adorable. And I also picked up this clear stamp. It is called Romance by Bo Bunny, and you get 15 stamps. Look at that. Can you see? I mean, there's some really delicate stamps in there, like right here. See that this says Bliss, and then you get like little tiny images, and you got corner stamps and flourishes in there. Very nice. And you got your bird cage, and you got your 2 lovebirds there. Adorableness. And then this one here is the stamp information, and the stamp was $2.99. Adorableness. I like it. I'm quite happy I found this. And then this was the only stamp that they had that I picked up. And then I also picked this up. This I found in the clearance section. It is the storage container for a 12 by 12 paper packs. And it is a 2-pack, and I paid $8. The regular price is $9.99. But if you can get it for $8, hey, that's saving $2, right? And I did pick up only the 1 package, or the 1 set. And then the last item I picked up from Tuesday morning is this Quiltologic bundle. It is 18 by 21 inch, 100% cotton fabric. And you get 5 pieces in here. And I paid $5.50. It was clearance price. Let's see if I can pull this back. Uh-oh. It looks like regular price to be $6.99. But really cute. This I bought for my niece. My niece just had a baby girl, so I want to put this to use. Let me give you a closer look. Look at this. How cute is this? Look at that. Wonderful. Oh, cuteness. They only had 1 bundle in, so I got the last bundle that they had. I wish there was another one, but I will have to make do with this bundle. Look at this one. So cute. And then you get 5 designs in the bundle. Look at this one. How cute. So it's a really soft gray colors with the polka dots. Just adorable. Look at this. I want to make a quilt out of this, and maybe a little pillow. Look at this one. I will need to buy another fabric to complete it, but these are the main pieces that I want to use in the quilt. Just adorable. Look at this one. Oops, upside down. There we go. Oh, so cute. So it's like the cow jumped over the moon, and what, the teaspoon ran away with the spoon. Oh, they're just so cute. It's been a while since I did a project for a baby. My nephew is, what, almost 3 years old now. Here we go. Look at this. Isn't that such pretty colors? My niece will love this. You know, she can bundle her baby up all she wants in this. I hope I was able to show you a few items that you may want to pick up on your trip to Tuesday Morning and to Hobby Lobby. There's some cute things to find, right? I love them. So cute. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.